I've got this image where a guy in a suit, an executive, walks into a board meeting at Cathedral City. It's not a real city. And he's like, we're going to sell people toasties. And everyone in the boardroom's like, people just make their own toasties. Surely they're not that lazy. And then somebody pipes up and goes, yeah, they are. They're exactly that lazy. How are we doing? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're here for one reason only. What the frig is this? A toasty. I'm going to say it again, toasty. And it's pre-made, so I make toasties for my family all the time. I don't buy them in a frigging wrapper. What are you people doing out there? Cut a long story short, we did a spice challenge recently. I know you guys saw it, it was great, fantastic, thank you for the views. Anyway, I'm in Iceland and I saw this monstrosity.
What is going on here?
So this is the Cathedral City, which by the way, fan of your cheese, Cathedral City. It's our triple cheese toasty. Why? £3.50? Literally, you could buy a loaf of bread and cheese for £3.50. Anyway, we're going to try it. Maybe, just maybe there's something fantastic going on here. Maybe there's a whole world out there of people buying pre-made toasties and it's friggin' amazing. And I'm just not in on it. I'm prepared to admit that may be the case. 3 cheeses. I better be able to taste each individual piece of cheese for £3.50 for a friggin' toasty. Calm down. Right, so we've got some cooking options here. So oven cooked from frozen. Okay, that sounds the best option. That's 23 minutes. Microwave. Why not? You can microwave from frozen. It's 3 minutes and 30 seconds. I'm not going to put bread in the microwave. Call me old fashioned, but that seems wrong. Okay, next we've got air fry from frozen. I have an air fryer. Let's go for that. So hopefully that's actually longer than the oven. How can air frying, which is meant to be the quick alternative to the oven, be longer? Air fry, set temperature to 120 C. Remove packaging.
I was going to put it in with the packaging. Thank you very much, Cathedral City, for saving me from burning down my house.
Cook for 25 minutes, stand for 3 minutes before serving. That's dad humour, people. I know, because I'm a dad. I think, right, to give this the best option of tasting fantastic, and for £3.50, I want it to taste fantastic, I'm going to go for the air fryer. Takes longer. I'm not in any rush. We've got all night. It's fine. My logic being that air frying should crisp it up. And it's a toasty, it should be crisp. I'm not putting this in the microwave. I don't care what they say. Okay, let's go do it, see how we get on. Back in a second. Okay, I'm back, so I thought you guys might want to see what this actually looks like when it's frozen. So let's go. Why is there writing on my knife? You guys see that? What a weird thing to put on a knife. My wife buys some strange things. Right, let's cut it open. This is what £3.50 buys us from Iceland. Microwave this way? No, I'm not microwaving. So there's cheese on top, thin looking bread, it's not super thick, is it? And then there's just cheese in the middle. This is essentially cheese on toast. Let's just get down to brass tacks here. 2 slices on top of each other for £3.50. Let's go chuck it in the air fryer, see what happens. Back in a sec. Video update, it's getting darker outside and I can't be arsed dragging in a lamp from the other room. Last time we did that for the spice video, because there's a yellow bulb, every time I open my mouth, my teeth look yellow. And it wasn't me, it was the light. I do brush my teeth. I want my grandkids to look back upon these videos and think, my granddad was cool, not, why has he got yellow teeth? So we're not bringing that lamp in. If we get to the end of the video and it's just darkness, you can still listen to my voice, it'll be fine. Honestly, we'll get through it, it's fine. See you shortly. Some American lady who seemed lovely, by the way, but she said, in your last video, you could have spent more time talking to us about the menu instead of just talking about nothing. It's made me slightly paranoid now that I just go on these videos and talk about nothing. So I'm literally examining everything I'm saying in my head. And as I'm saying stuff, I'm thinking, is this nothing? Is this just nonsense? And I've got to be honest with you, about 98.9% of the stuff I've said so far, it does appear to be nonsense. Okay, so if you're watching this video, I've tried to position the camera. Of course you're watching this video. Why did I say if? You're here. Can you see like a blue light here in the corner? Because I've searched all over this kitchen for what's creating that blue light. Now there's got to be something over here, surely. There's literally nothing. I've repositioned everything. So, just, tolerate it, it'll be fine. It's a blue light. What harm could it do in the grand scheme of things? I think this constitutes as nothing talking, actually. So quick air fryer update, we've got 9 minutes left. So we're going to have a quick look at what it looks like so far. So I'm going to turn you around. So that's actually looking alright, isn't it? Right, in the absence of any clear guidance from the leadership team at Cathedral City, we've made an executive decision. We've turned the toasty over. Premium toasty, £3.50. I'm expecting crispiness, loveliness, amazing cheese flavours. I shouldn't be guessing this, should I? But we took a guess. So if it looks crap when it comes out, it's partly my fault, partly Cathedral City's fault for, like, you know, not telling me what to do. Just realised I've not clarified the types of cheese that we're getting with this toasty. I know there's thousands of people at home right now going, what the hell is he doing talking about, you know, shit when we haven't clarified the cheeses. Let's do it. We're getting red Leicester, smoked cheddar and cheddar. So, if you're getting cheddar cheese and smoked cheddar, clearly once they melt together, you're just getting slightly less smoked cheddar. And maybe vice versa. Right, it's done. Let's go and see what it looks like. See you in a second. So after all that nightmare, I've got to let it stand now for 3 minutes. Set timer 3 minutes.
3 minutes. Counting down.
Right, we have it. It's getting a bit dark now. I did say it may get dark, but I'm not having yellow teeth. I've put some tomato sauce inside because I envision it's going to be bloody awful. That's not fair, is it? Let's try it. So, here we go. This is what your £3.50 is getting you. First of all, what's crunch like? It's a decent crunch. Slightly underdone on the underside. Let's go for another bite. I mean, is it awful? No. It just tastes like a cheese toasty. I can't taste, it just tastes like cheese. I'm sorry, it just does. I don't get any smokiness whatsoever. I get a little bit of the red Leicester because it's on top, but that's about it. So for £3.50, I'm expecting an abundance of cheese flavours. Not getting that. It's just cheese toasty. I said at the start that I make cheese toasties for me and my family in the air fryer all the time. The bread does not taste as good as the standard bread that I use. I imagine it's because it's been frozen. It's definitely got the crispness, but it's just like, doesn't taste of anything. It's like eating fresh air. I'm going to try dipping it in some sauce, try and save the day. Don't buy this. Look, if you're in Iceland and you fancy a snack, don't do this because it's just encouraging them to make this and sell it. Why? Just don't be part of the system. Fight back, refuse to buy it. Because this is just... Look at it. I'm saying this as a fan of Cathedral City. I like the cheese. I like the mature stuff, it's lovely. But this is not worth £3.50. Cathedral City, stick to what you do best. Nobody wants this. Nobody went to bed last night and thought, I love Cathedral City. I wish they made toasties. Nobody. So do I recommend this? No. Get yourself a loaf, get yourself some cheese and do it yourself. You don't need this. This is not good. This isn't what we're about as a nation. Got profound, didn't it? Suddenly, we're not about this as a nation. Amazing. Love it. I get so dramatic. Brought the nation into it. You're all responsible for this monstrosity. It's not just me and you, it's the nation as a whole. Right, I'm going to leave it there. There's nothing else to say. It's a cheese toasty. It's a very expensive cheese toasty, but there we go. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so. We're a small channel, so every single like and every single comment and every single view counts at the moment. So thank you so much for doing that. It means the world. We've got more videos coming soon, so please make sure you do subscribe. Why would you want to miss this? It's amazing. See you guys on the next video. Take it easy. Bye now.